having the good connectivity issue, good network connectivity over here. So just check your connectivity as well, network connectivity as well once, and let me know. Okay? And now guys, now we are going to start. Yes, first of all, we are going to learn about the AI tool of the week, and this time we are going to learn about Claude AI. Hi Meenakshi. So Claude AI is the AI tool of the week this time. So anyone is having any idea what is Claude AI? Ever use Claude? Very good, Saswat. Okay. I'm getting mixed responses. Some have used, some haven't. That's great, Saswat. Seen using Swapnil, sir. Okay, that's great, Vivek. Okay, let me just show you guys. Let me introduce you guys to Claude AI. Just click on it, and here will be the link which will redirect you guys over here on Claude AI. So I'm already logged in over here. I'm having the premium account as well. Every AI is having its own speciality, Saswat. We all are very, very habitual with ChatGPT. That I agree. So guys, Claude now, it is an advanced AI assistant that can help with coding, debugging, and solving complex programming problems very efficiently. So let's just spend some couple of minutes on it. So let's just, first of all, let me just say hi to Claude over here. Hi Claude, how are you doing? Yes, I love it for the coding, Sanket. I love Claude for coding because yeah, I mostly use ChatGPT and Claude both when I'm stuck with my LLM models. Sometimes.
Ma'am, is that we
So,
have to download the Claude, ma'am?
no. Link is there, na? I'm sending you guys a link. And the link I have added over there as well in your collab notebook. Don't worry about that, okay? So let me just ask some coding question as well. Let's ask some coding question as well, Saswadan. Can you write a function to check if a number is prime? Can you write a Python program to check if a number is prime? I see it is noted. See, it is going to write down the code for you. See, here it write down the code for you in Python. This is how it is writing down the code. Okay, everyone. I hope everyone will be clear now that how you guys can use Claude AI for coding, for any other questions as well. Everyone is clear? Saswat, Sudha, Vishal, Vivek, Navya, Zulekha. Yes.
Ma'am, if we have a problem, we can use this Claude or ChatGPT to write our program, ma'am.
Yes, you guys can use it. AIs are there to help.
Oh, okay.
AIs are there to help, but just don't get too much dependent on them.
So
Okay,
Gemini, so Gemini and this will do the same function, right? Gemini can also code.
Every AI can code. Every
Okay.
AI can code. Yes. Just that every AI is using different interfaces. That is our agenda, guys, that we are going to introduce you guys. Like ChatGPT is very common name in every household. Everyone knows about it. But there are multiple other AIs as well, which you guys can use. So sometimes what happens, most of us, what we do, we use the free versions of the AIs, right? So when we are using them, there is a limit for every day. That after that you can't use it properly. So there are other AIs also. Go on them, explore them as well. So in every week, we are going to include one AI and introduce you all in the session. That is our agenda.
So can we use this AI in collab?
I guess last day also you have questioned me the same thing, but See, in Collab, Gemini is the built-in one. I can't change Gemini to any other AI over here. But yes, I can just go to Claude. I can ask the question. I can just copy it and paste it in my Collab.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Yes, Aditya, perplexity also we are going to learn in our classes. I guess next week only perplexity will come. Now is everyone clear with the AI tool of the week this time?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
What about others? I need responses from each and everyone.
Ma'am, in that program, whatever you have taught us, like teachers, like one is equal to as well as one is greater than, but the next one percentage we don't know, ma'am.
That is what, because we haven't done that. This Claude didn't don't know na that what I have taught you guys in the class and all. It is just giving me the answer what I'm asking in its own way. If I will say make it in the easiest way, it will make it
Okay,
in the
ma'am.
easiest
Okay.
way.
Okay.
Okay. We will learn each and everything. Don't worry about that. Now, let me just remove this AI now. Now we will learn about it again in a Wednesday session. We will meet it again. And now, guys, we are going to move forward and we are going to start with the part number 1 for today. So, part number 1, guys, it is going to be your odd and even game and your pre-quiz. That's great, Soumya. So first of all, we are going to learn about odd and even game. So here is the game which is going to be a challenge as well for this particular week. Let me just connect my Google Colab and we'll run that for all of you. Okay, it is running. You guys tell me who wants to play this game with me. Who wants to play this game? Who wants to explore this? This time I want others as well. Saswat, from the last 2 weeks, you are playing that game. You are playing games with me now. I want new names this time. Soumya, yes. Zulekha, you have also played with me once. So this time I'm going to take Soumya's name. So Soumya, is the number 79 odd or even? And guys, please don't feel bad, okay? I just want everyone to feel included in the class. Don't feel bad that I said like that in the class.
Yeah. It's odd, ma'am. Odd.
Thank you so much for understanding, Saswat. Yes, you guessed odd. The correct answer is odd. Correct. Now, is the number 79 odd or even? Again.
Odd again.
Now, is the number 41 odd or even?
Odd.
Is the number 85 odd or even? Again odd. Is the number 15 odd or even? Odd, right? So, correct. Game over, Soumya, you scored 5 by 5. Again, same. But, guys, just see the numbers. 79, 79, 41, 85, 15. 79, 79, 41, 85 and 15. Let me just write it down. I have to show you guys one very interesting thing. 79, 79, 41, 85 and 15. These are the numbers I got this time. But now I'm going to run it again. Okay, who wants to play this game with me now?
So you want
Who
to
wants
put
to
an
play this?
even number, right? 10.
No. Name. Who wants to play this? Whose name should I put here? Okay, Meenakshi, let's take your name. Is the number 50 odd or even? Number 50 was not in the list before. Is the number 50 odd or even?
Even.
Even. Is the number 88 odd or even? Even. Is the number 85 odd or even?
Odd.
Odd. Is the number 55 odd or even?
Odd.
Is the number 50 odd or even?
Even.
Now, if you guys will see, last time I got these numbers, but this time I'm getting the number changed. How is this happening? This is the thing which we are going to decode in our classes this time, in our week this time. These are the random numbers which my Python compiler is generating on its own. If I will run it again it will give me other numbers. I'm taking my name, 76. Anything I'm putting, 95. Every time it is going to give me new numbers. Every time it is going to give me new numbers. By mistake, if I will put this.
Even.
By mistake, I put that. Instead of
Ma'am,
what, I put even.
This number has been created by Python programming, right? The program
Yes,
going to
yes,
write.
yes,
And
yes,
also it is
yes.
calculating, right?
Yes, it is calculating also. See, two things I put deliberately wrong and I'm getting my score as 3 by 5, not 5 by 5. It is calculating that as well. This is what we are going to do this time. We are going to see how Python compiler is going to generate the numbers on its own with the help of a module. Just one line and it can create and it can reproduce number every time I am running it. Every time a new number. So tell me, are you guys excited? Are you guys excited to learn with me now?
Yes, ma'am.
This time the classes are going to be much more interesting than the previous weeks. I didn't got response from everyone. Yes, Supradeep, you're correct. I didn't got the response from everyone. Okay, great guys. Curious? I like this curiosity, Soumya. So let me just remove this. You guys are, either way, you guys are going to create it at the end of the week. And now it's time for your pre-quiz, guys. Let me just give you guys a pre-quiz link. Okay, everyone, I have sent you all the pre-quiz link. Please solve your pre-quiz and let me know your marks when done. And I will be on the mute. I am giving you guys 6 to 7 minutes. I will be on mute. You just let me know your marks. Not a problem, Saswat. You guys are still learning, na? Others also let me know their marks. Don't be shy, guys. It's your learning phase. And if you guys remember, I told you guys one thing at the starting. No judgment at all in my sessions. So don't feel shy. Everything is welcome in my classes. Very good, Karthik. Very good, Ramya. Not a issue at all, Sudha. Don't worry. You will learn in this week, and in post quiz you can do it you can do it quickly. Very good, Nitesh. Very good, Sai. Very good, Vivek. That would be great, na Saswat. Very good, Sadeep. Don't cry, Spandon. It's your learning phase. Very good, Zulekha. Don't worry about that, guys. These are not for the marks. These are for yourself. These are all for yourself only. To see what I'm going to learn in this week. Very good, Aditya. Very good, Arpan. Don't worry, Zulekha. Very good, Navya. Very good, Aishwarya. Very good, Rishu. Seriously, guys, by looking at your messages, I am not getting what should I do now. Should I say something motivating or should I laugh myself? Very good, Krishna. Very good, Soumya. Very good, Subhadeep. Very good, Vishal. Very good, Ankita. Yes, Sai said the correct thing over there. Nothing to worry, bro. All topics are new to us. Okay, bro? Don't worry. Yes. Very good, Aswin. Yes. At least you guys are trying. That means something, na? Very good, Zulekha. That's great, Soumya. You guys will get to know all the concepts. All the concepts we are going to learn in the classes. Don't worry about that. And I hope everyone is done with the pre-quiz. Can I get a just quick confirmation from everyone? Everyone is done with the pre-quiz, right? Can I get a quick confirmation? So who is here? Tamanna, Sanket, are you guys done? I don't remember taking your names, guys. Yes, Saswat, you will. Very good, Sanket. Very good, Tamanna. Okay, then, guys, now we will move forward. Now, I'm just going to start with the part number 2 for today. Don't worry, John. You guys are in your learning phase. In learning phase, it happens. Don't worry about that. Us, why us? From your sound, I'm thinking that you're from Punjab, Soumya. Because we say it like that. All are in same position. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. Don't worry about that, guys. Now, okay. Forget about the pre-quiz. Now let's start. Now let's start with the part number 2. Now let's start part number 2. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. Don't worry. That's not a big deal. Post-quiz is still there, and we are going to learn all the concepts. Okay, let's start. So guys, part number 2, we are going to learn about the random module. So in this, we are going to cover all these things. Let me just change this ink over here. Why? It's getting switched again and again. Huh. So first of all, we are having random. We are having rand int with 2 parameters. Then we are having rand range, start, stop, and step, and we are having the range function. So these are the 4 functions which we are going to learn in the random module today. So guys, first of all, what is this random module? What is this random module? So guys, random module now in Python, it is like a tool. It is like a tool. It's like a tool that helps you work with a randomness. It allows you to generate the random numbers to make random selections from the list. To make the random selections from the list. Think of it as adding the unpredictability to your program, like rolling a dice or shuffling a deck of the cards. Like rolling a dice or shuffling a deck of the cards. So how does it work? Since computers can't truly be random, na? So the random module, it is just going to generate a pseudo random number. It is just going to create the pseudo random numbers. Numbers that appears random that are actually based on an internal formula. That is actually based on the internal formula. So, guys, what is happening over here? Basically, pseudo random is very, very easy. Like pseudo, it means a nickname. Pseudo means a nickname or a fake name, you can say. So basically, just listen to me carefully what I'm trying to say. So random module, na guys, it is like a lucky draw machine. It helps us generate the random numbers or the random choices. Imagine you're playing a game where a dice is rolled, a card is picked, or a lucky winner is selected. These are all the examples of randomness na, in real life. These are all the examples of randomness in real life. So, to recreate this, Python has its own built-in module that helps us generate the random numbers, shuffle the things, and make the unpredictable choices. So guys, we use this random module whenever we need unpredictability in a program. Some common examples as I've just told you guys. And here also, let me show you. Here also it is written multiple examples I have added. So why use random module? In games like picking a random card or a rolling dice, in lotteries to select the winners, for testing by generating random input data, any situation where things need to happen by chance. In all these things, we use random module. And how to use it? First, import the module. Now, I'm saying this thing again and again, module. So I hope everyone have got the question in your mind that what the hell is this module, right? So guys, module now, it is like a toolbox. It is like a toolbox in Python. You need to hammer to fix. Imagine you need to hammer to fix something. So instead of making a new hammer from scratch, you just pick one from your toolbox. Similarly, Python has pre-built toolboxes, which are known as modules, with useful functions. Instead of writing everything from the scratch, we can just import a module and use its functions. And that is what we are going to do with the random module as well. Random is the name of the module, but under that there are multiple functions which we are going to use. That is a module in Python. So till this point clear, everyone? Till this point clear, everyone? Okay, let me just read that out also, which is given over here. No. Zulekha, where did you got confused? Pseudo-random, no. So guys, what pseudo-random is? Yeah, I'm explaining that term. So pseudo-random means fake random, as pseudo means fake name. Like my name is Mehek, but my friends call me something else as well. My friends call me by my nickname. Or like Sudha, you remember when you weren't able to just study from your laptop, you used to attach from your phone as well, right?
Yes,
You
yes,
used to
yes.
get from your
Yeah.
phone as well. So
Yeah.
from laptop you were having another name, from your phone you were having another name, but both are you only, na?
Yes.
So pseudo means a fake name, and pseudo random means fake random. Fake random. It looks like it's random, but it's actually not truly random, because some algorithm is happening at the back, and we are getting that number over here. I hope now everyone knows about this. Now everyone got to know the term pseudo random. Great, very good,
Basically, it's a
Ramya.
mimics.
Yes, yes. Yes, yes. You were saying something, na, Sudha?
It's mimic.
Yeah, mimic. Yes. So if it is not random, then using what kind of logic they are using? Shadow. I was not expecting an anime example in my class. So Pradeep. Okay, so if it is not random, that is a inner algorithm which is happening inside the random module, Soumya. Randomly, it is going to pick the numbers. Yeah, algorithm. I hope now everyone is clear. Great. Okay, so now let me just read that out for all of you. So module in Python is like a toolbox that contains useful code that you can use in your own program. It is a collection of functions, classes, and variables that someone has already written. So you do not need to write the everything from the scratch. For example, to find the square root of a number, you can use a math module. So yes, only random module is not there. There are multiple modules in Python which we are going to learn one by one in the classes. Math module, because in math module you have the square root function, and you can just use it directly, which calculates the square root of any positive number. See, here's how you guys can use it. Import math, calculate the square root of the number. Just take the number. Square root is equals to math, the name of the module, dot, the function name, and inside the parentheses, just pass that particular number or particular variable in which that number is stored, and you will get your answer. So I will show you guys everything. Don't worry about that. Why use modules? Now it saves the time. You do not have to reinvent the wheel. It organizes the code. You can break big programs into smaller, more manageable pieces. Then reusability. You can use the same code across multiple projects by importing that module. Because module now, it is like a Python file only, single Python file, which you guys can use again and again anywhere. Yes, Saswat, you're correct. Now let's talk about the random function, random module. So it is what it is going to do. It is just going to generate random decimal float. between 0.0 to 1.0. Real world example is simulating a coin toss. So in a real coin toss, what happens? There are two possible outcomes, heads or tails. In a program, we will use random function to get the random numbers between 0 and 1. If the number is less than 0.5, say it's heads. But if it is more than that, then we will say it's a tail. Yes, you're correct, Saswat. Now let's do this code, guys. It's very, very easy. Let me just correct my notebook as well. So then I will write down my code. Now, first of all, I have to import random. Import is a keyword, guys. If you want to use any kind of module, import is very, very important. Like this is the syntax, you can't change it. Then now I want to get a number between 0.0 to 1.0. What I will take, result variable is equals to random, name of the variable, dot. Function's name now. Function's name is also random, but with function parenthesis is going to be there. Done. Now, if I will just put print result. Now, guys, print result. See, I'm getting the answer as 0.701. If I will run it again, 0.05. Again, 0.161. Every time it is going to give me a random number.
So that means it is between 0.1 to 1. It's not beyond that, right?
0.0 to 0.1. See.
0.0 to 1. Okay.
Sorry, 0.0 to 1.0. Yes. Okay. Float number only you guys are going to get. Random is the name of the module. Vivek, first of all, what I'm doing, I'm taking the name of the module and then I'm taking the function which I want to use from this particular module. And this import, it is a keyword which is going to help me to import all the things which is present inside this random module. Is it clear, Vivek and Soumya? Is it clear, Vivek and Soumya?
Ma'am, where is that random value will be there, ma'am? Like, for example, you are telling that to 0 to 1. It will be there in the program, or we have to design it like 1 to 10 or 1 to 100?
No. That is pre-built in. That is built in. You just have to do that. You will get the number. That is built in only.
Oh, that means it will take anything, right? Like it,
yes, anything. Every time you are going to run it, new number you are going to get.
No, that is in between 0 to 1. That's what I mean.
Yes, 0 to 1 only you will get. But any number you can get between 0 and 1. Okay? Yes, you're correct, Vivek. Sudha, are you clear?
Ma'am, I actually like, see, you are telling that it is between 0 to 1, right? If I want 1 to 10, that what will be there?
For that, we are having another thing. We will learn about that also. First, this particular function
I thought that you are telling that is import. So that means the computer will take it from somewhere else, from the directory, and then it will show from any number. That's what I mean.
No, it's not like that. It is pre-built random function only from 0 to 1. Nothing else. For the other numbers, we are having other things, other functions we are having for that.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. By default, 0 to 1 only.
That means if it is going to be random, if you're going to write a random, it is between 0 to 1. That's it.
Yes. I hope Zulekha, Soumya, yes, it is going to be float only. It is mandatory. I hope you guys are clear. Yes, it is predefined for 0 to 1. Now, as my question is saying, now I have to create this also if the result is less than 0.5. Then so I'm going to print it as heads, otherwise it is going to be tails. Just print it. I got 0.15, it is heads. Again run it. I got 0.59 and it is tails. Just like that, you guys can create your random functions program. I hope now everyone is clear till this point. If there is any doubts, please feel free to let me know.
Ma'am?
Yes.
It's going to be, you are telling that like result less than 0.5, right? If it is going to be 5.9, That means it is considered as a 6, right? It is a rounding.
See, result is less than 0.5. That is float. That is float. Till 0.50, it is going to be, sorry, not that, because we are not going to put the is equals to sign over there, na? See that as well. We are not putting is equals to sign over here. So when it is less than 0.5, like 0 till 0.49 something, it is going to check. It is going to be heads. But the moment it is becoming 0.5, it is going to start from 0.5 something, it is going to become the tails.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Understand.
Okay? Very good. Any doubts? Any other doubts? Sometimes regional collab showing collab, but sometimes it's not showing. That happens sometimes only. Actually, what happens now, if you will write down a question over here with the form of comment, you will get the suggestion, Vivek. And when I'm writing the code, it gets to know now, because question is already there. It gets to know, so that is why I'm getting it. But if I'm starting from the scratch and collab is not able to get what type of question, what type of program I'm creating, you will not get the suggestion. Okay, Vivek? Yes, always output isn't going to be float, Meenakshi. Now, guys, after that, now I'm having rand int function. Int. This time, int means integer, rand means random. Between the parentheses, I'm having two numbers, a and b. It is going to generate a random integer between these two things, which I'm going to predefine myself this time. So what is rand int ab? Your question, so that if you want to get the number between 1 to 10, just use rand int.
Okay.
Give here
Okay,
a
ma'am.
number, give here a number. Between that only you will get that now.
Yeah. So it is not only 10. Even whatever number you want to write it, 10,
Yes,
20,
yes,
30, 40,
yes,
whatever you want.
yes. Whatever
Understood.
you want.
So that means 0 to 1, it is a random. Other
Yes,
than that, it is going to be rand, int.
yes. Give me a second. That is a probability logic, Supradeep. Yes, Saswat has given the right answer. Saswat has given the right answer, Supradeep. Okay, so what I was saying, guys, rand inc. This function in Python gives you a random whole number. So in random, you were getting float, but this time you're getting integer only as the answer between the two numbers you provide, including both the starting and the ending numbers as well. So what do A and B stand for in rand int? So A is the starting number of the range, and they are included. A and B are both included. This is the ending number of the range. And rand int ab function generates a random whole number integer between these two values, including both A and B. Including both A and B. Yes, both are included, Soumya. Why are we going to use it? When we need a random whole number within a specific range. Like, choose a number between 1 to 100. Choose a number between 1 to 100. These kind of questions are there. I can just use rand int.
So 20 to 30.
Yes, anything. I just have to predefine my range. So here are some common examples, like rolling a dice, where you need a random number between 1 and 6. Picking a card randomly from a deck, where you assign numbers to the cards. Yes, yes, they can be get used for the OTP as well. Meenakshi, you're correct. Simulations, creating a random event like selecting a random day for testing weather conditions. Lucky draw lotteries. Select a random participant or winner from a range of participants between 1 to 100. Generating random tests such as random age between 18 to 60. And the purpose is we use this because we want to introduce randomness in a program. And we use random integer whole number in a fixed range. And now, Before moving forward, before I will show you guys one example, one code, I would like to know, are you all clear with the definition part? Theory part is clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. That means, see, after 100, there would be another one, right? It is between 1 to 100. Rand
No,
INT
no.
is ah,
No, it's not like between 1 to 100 only. You can take it between 100 to 1000 also.
okay,
That
okay, okay.
depends upon you what number you're going to give.
So any number.
Yes, any number. I will show you guys as well. Just take integers, not float. See, imagine you are organizing a lucky draw at an event. There are 100 participants and you need to randomly select a winner from participants number 1 to 100. Here's how you are going to do it. So let's quickly do the example only. So first of all, import random. I'm going to do it again and again, but once you have already imported random, you don't have to write it down again and again. But I'm doing it so that when you guys are going to go through this notebook, you will not get confused. So what I'm going to do, I am going to generate the winner is equals to random dot rand int starting from 1 ending at 100. Print winner. Just that. Okay, I'm going to run it. You guys guess the number. Let's see who is going to be correct. You guys guess the number. Okay, guess the number
1 minute.
between 1 to 100. Yes,
Ma'am,
yes,
1
yes.
minute.
Yes,
So
yes.
here you are telling that random, import random, right? Random is nothing but 0.1 to 1, but you are starting from 1 to 100.
That is random module. Inside that, functions are there.
Okay, okay.
Sorry, someone was saying something. Yeah, so what I was saying, random, it is a module. And inside that, there is a function also named as random. Okay? And here I am taking the range random int I'm using. This is another function.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, this is another function. So I'm getting multiple things. 28. Did anyone guess 28? No. Now, Asudha, you question me 100 and 1000. See, anyone expected this number to come?
Yeah.
No, right? But it is coming. Totally random. Yes,
Yeah,
see,
yeah.
every
Definitely
time.
there is only 100 participants there.
Yes, but see, what there are 100 participants, but I want to show you guys that it is not limited to only 100. You can make it any number.
Yeah,
See
any
how many
cell,
zeros
any
I'm
cell.
using.
Yeah.
How many zeros I'm using, and I'm getting the random number between that. Okay, that is random int. I hope everyone is clear with that now.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Great. But what if we want to use random without limits? We are going to learn about the syntax part only, na sister? According to syntax only, we are going to go. If there will be anything, I will definitely I will definitely let you guys know. Okay?
Ma'am, if
Yes,
if
yes.
we have to write a program, always if we have to start with import random. That's the first one we have to write, right?
Yes, yes. For
Okay.
random module, first of all, you have to do.
Okay.
Yeah. So, Saswar, I said if there will be anything like that, I will definitely tell you guys in the class, but we are going to go through a step by step. Okay? If there will be anything, I will definitely let you guys know. Now, guys, after that, now we are going to learn about rand range. Rand range. Now, start, stop, step. Now, here in rand range, function in Python generates a random number from a specific range with an option to skip the numbers by a certain interval step. Start, the first number in the range, stop, the end of the range, but it would not include this number this time. Always remember, rand range, it is not going to include that number of the stop one. And step, how much to skip between the numbers, like counting by 2s, 5s, 15s. I know here right now you guys must be getting confused, but when you guys will see the example, it will get clear like a mirror. So why are we using it? Because when we need a random number within a range, but only from certain intervals or steps. What if I am having 1 to 10? 1 to 10, I am giving this range, but I want only the even numbers. Sorry, only the odd numbers. What I will do, I will just make the skip as 2, because 1, skip 2, answer will be 3. This step 2 means it is going to ignore one number over here. Again, it is going to ignore one number again. Again, the next number will be 5. Like this, I can create the whole range according to me. Okay, sequential number, yes. Now, let me just show you guys how it works. Like setting up the reminder 15 minutes. Every 15 minutes, our reminders, our alarm snooze, no? Meenakshi, every like whenever we have to wake up early in the morning, 8 a.m. So 8 a.m. alarm is there, but we are snoozing it, and every time after 10 minutes again it is ringing. So how it is happening with the help of RAN range? How it is happening with the help of RAN range? Yes, you are correct, Saswat. Choosing between the random times or dates at the regular interval. Generating random even or odd numbers using the step is equal to 2. Now, imagine you manage a bus company and every bus stop has 4 time slots for the next bus arrival. Now, these buses arrive only at the specific intervals every hour, like 0, 15, 30, and 45 minutes late. Sorry, 45 minutes. Now, you want to build a system that randomly selects one of those time slots to alert the passengers about the next bus. About the next bus. So here, what we are going to do, just see the code now, guys. See the code, you guys will get to know what we are doing here. So I'm just going to take import random again. Then now I want to generate 0, 15, 30, and 45. This range I want to create. Now, what I am going to do next bus minute. Sorry about that, guys. So random dot ran range this time. This another function we are going to use. Starting from 0, because it is going to get included. So at 45, I want to end. At 45, I want to end. But according to the conditions, the end of the range, it is not going to get included. So I want to end at 45. So I will take +1 only 46, because at 45, anyhow, it is going to get ended. N minus 1. Right? And now, it is going to skip 15. Right? So step 15. Print next bus minute. Just run this. And what I'm getting my answer as? What I'm getting my answer as? 30. What I'm getting my answer as? 30. Just look at that, guys.
Ma'am,
Yes.
last number is going to be 45. That means we have to minus 1 and put the number there. Everywhere.
Yes.
Wherever we are using, we have to less number 1 and then put that number, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, let me just make it more good for all of you. Let me just remove this. F-string formatting I'm going to use. The next bus will arrive at 10. And here next bus minute will be shown. Now, if I will run it again, I'm getting 10:45. I will run it again and again. 10:45, it is not going to skip. it will be stuck at 10 till 10:45 only. 10:15, 30, then 0. That will also I will get as an answer, but it is not going to skip after. It is not going to skip after 45. Because 46 is the ending. If I will do 60, what if I'm doing 60? Run it again and again. 60 will never come. Because 60 is not going to get included. It is going to get ended at 59. If I will make it 61, now I can get 60. See, now I'm getting 60 as well. Is everyone clear?
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes.
Yeah, so we are putting the range at the end, right? The step part.
Yes.
Yeah, so but it is producing random numbers actually.
But random number
Like it
is
should
within
have
that range
produced
only.
0, then
What
yeah,
is the
but within the range, then what is the point of the step then?
See, as I have told you the real life example, if you're managing a bus company and you want to show the these kind of time slots, these kind of things, at that point you can use that too. At 10:60 next bus is going to arrive, at 10:15 next bus is going to arrive, like this.
Yeah,
Let
but
me just
it is
add it over
not
here as well.
producing the numbers in a sequence, right? It is just generating them randomly.
Because it is random. Because it is random. For that also I am having another function. If you want the whole sequence, yes,
Ma'am,
tell me.
it is going to be like a school timing, right? For example, 40 minutes means every 40 minutes it will ring. That's the
Yes.
same way, right? Real
Yes.
example.
Yes. You're correct. Stop part always takes +1 because the stop part is not going to get included. It is going to get ended at n-1, and step part this much you can add 0 plus 15, 15, 15 plus 15, 30, 30 plus 15, 45. At that point it is going to get ended. Okay, Meenakshi? Like this you guys can make it you guys can remember this thing. Okay, Meenakshi? And
Ma'am,
Supradeep,
ma'am, 1 minute.
yeah.
See, you told that like last, if you're going to put that in a previous one, you told that like last one will be, the difference will be coming, right? Like 15, meaning like 15 will be coming.
Sorry.
Like 15, that means the intervals of 15 will come, right?
Yes.
And if you are going to do the odd and even, you told that like if you're going to put 2, that means the number will be removed.
The number 2 is getting removed here also. Na? I am not getting anything else than 15, 30, 45 or 60.
Okay, fine, understood. Yeah.
Understood. And Supradeep, you asked me the question, ma'am, that we are just getting it randomly. We are not getting the whole range. Now for that, I am having another
No,
function.
I was asking about the sequence actually. I was
Yeah.
expecting it to first print 45, then it might print 30. I was
No, it
expecting
is
that.
random. Randomly only it is going to take. If you want a sequence, we are having another function.
Okay, got it.
Okay.
So,
Let
ma'am,
me
that
just.
means we are going to give it in a integer, but we are going to get it in a float.
Sorry. This is
We
not
are going
float.
to
I am typing it over here. I'm getting integer only as the answer.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Now, guys, I am having range function. Nothing random is here. No random thing. Only range. It is going to generate a sequence of numbers. It is often used in loops, repeat a task multiple times, or to create a list of numbers. So syntax is going to be range, start, stop, step again. Same thing is going to be start. If you are not giving a start point, default is going to be 0. And before this number means the stop part is not going to get included. And step, if you are not giving that as well, then default is 1. I will show you guys 3 parts. In 3 parts, I will show you guys this. Don't worry. Why use this range? What you need to generate a sequence of number. When you need to generate a sequence of numbers like counting, stops or tasks, it makes loop easier to manage because it defines where to start, where to end, and by how much to step. So now I'm having a real world example of range without using loops. I'm having a meeting scheduler. So imagine you're organizing a 3 meeting at fixed interval, at fixed time during the day. 9 a.m., 12 p.m., and 3 p.m. Instead of writing each meeting manually, you can just use the range function to generate these times and then access them individually without using the loops. But before this example, I want to show you guys something. So, like, first of all, let's just take A is equals to, I'm just using range, I'm not using random because it's not the specific part of random module. I'm taking 6. I'm taking 6. So what does this mean? Default, by default, start from 0 and end at
5.
6 minus 1, 5. Yes. Now just print A. You guys can see this. Right now I'm getting this as range 06 only as the answer. Range 06 only as the answer, if you guys will see that. Right? So now how we can make it work? How we can make it work, guys? No, loop is going to be afterwards. Let me just show you guys another thing. Now I'm
Basically,
taking
that means A equal to range of time. That means from 12 o'clock, 0 a.m.
we will do that example as well. But first of all, let me just show you guys. Right now I'm taking this range and I'm getting this. I like this answer. I'm going to take this again, putting it over here, and I'm just going to put one thing, list. Inside that, I'm going to pass this. If I'm going to do this, I'm going to get the whole thing, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is ending at 5. See, it is
Means
just
it is
showing me
showing
because,
all the values.
yes, like this, it is not going to show me all values. For that, I have to convert it into a list. List also we are going to learn in the next part only, so don't worry about that. But this is how it is working. If I am just giving a single number, now what if I'm giving it 2 numbers? Like 6 and 8. Let me just take 15. So now it is going to start from 6 and end at 15 minus 1, 14. Print it again. Can you guys see that? 6 to 14, it is going to give me the answer. Saswar, is it confusing again? Or are you clear now?
No, ma'am, clear, ma'am. Ma'am, in a A, it has to be in a like brackets, right? Not the curly brackets, right? That A, whatever you put that for a print.
Yes. That is going to be in the square brackets only.
Okay.
Now, if I'm going to take 3 things now for that, like 6, 16, and I'm going to take a skip of 3. Start at 6, end at 15, and skip 3. Just see that. 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 3, 15. Now everyone clear with all the 3 points, how we can use a range function?
So, ma'am, if after 2 digits, if the third digit we will put it, will skip that digit. So, how many digits we can put it like this, like only 3 or 4, 5, 6, and
We
again?
can put anything. I can put 9 as well.
After
It
9,
will give me 6
also
plus
some
9,
other
15.
number.
Yes, I can put, if I will put 20, just say, I'm just saying, you will get only 6 because 6 plus 20, not in the range. Okay? Clear?
Excuse me, ma'am, what if we do not write anything where you have written 16?
Sorry? I didn't get you, Soumya. What did you say? Your voice was not clear.
Ma'am, she's asking that why we putting 16 because the last number is not going to come. That is our rule, right? That's what she's asking. I believe.
Yeah, it is the rule. It is going to get skipped. I can put anything. I want my range till 15, so I'm putting 16. Because if I will put 15, it is not going to take it. See, it is not going to take it. I want it to be till 15, so I'm taking 16. Okay? Now let's do the example which is actually given over here. Let me just get a code cell here only. And now I will tell you guys about this. Now, meeting hours is equals to range 9, 16 and 3. Sorry, 3. Just print the meeting hours. You guys will get this as a range, but you have to do it in another way as well, right? List you have to do, then only you guys will get it like that. But I am having one more thing which you guys can do. You guys can do it like multiple assignment together, like first, second, third is equals to meeting hours this time, and just put first, second and third, 9, 12 and 15. These are the two ways like you guys can solve this problem. What if you don't write anything here to stop? By default it is going to be 1. It is given over here. By default it is going to be 1. Given over here in the text.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, you are telling that the meeting is going to be, ours is going to range from 9, 16 and 3, right? That means it is going to stop at 15. So we have
Yes.
to get that as 9, like it has to stop at 15, right? Like why it is coming as 9,
15
16, 3?
means 3 p.m. only, no?
Okay.
15 means 3
But
p.m.
why it
only,
is
no?
16 is coming there? Why 16 is coming there? in the
Because
print?
here I am not using list. See?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
That means everything is coming there directly.
Yes.
Whatever you
Yes.
it is coming. Yeah.
Yes. List is not a command, it is a data type. We are going to learn about this in our next part. Don't worry about that as well. We are going to learn about that as well. Sorry, Samya, what are you saying? In the stop space? And Vivek, where the syntax error? I am not getting any syntax error over here.
I was saying that if we do not define the range where to stop or where that particular range will end, so if
See,
we just leave that space, so
Soumya, what is happening? If I am just giving one number, then it is going to take it as a stop point. By default, it is going to start from 0. If I am taking two numbers, that is starting and stopping point. If I'm taking three numbers, that is starting, stopping, and stepping point. This is how range function works.
Can we put 4 numbers like the
No.
first start, first in, and then 2 skip?
No.
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 Okay, only 3.
Yes, this is the syntax, and that is only it is going to be.
Okay, I thought like if 1/3 is for skipping, then for adding also some other thing is there.
No.
No.
Any doubts till this point now, guys? Any doubts in the function? In random module, random function, rand int, rand range function. Let me
Ma'am,
show
can you
you like
code
that.
down? Yeah, can you code down? So, okay.
Like this only you are saying, na Vivek? See, I'm getting the error. Step is you can, how you can remember it? 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 3, 15. Like this, you can remember this. Yes, yes, I'm giving you guys a break as well. Just give me a moment, huh? I'm asking again if there is any doubts. No, you can't do it like that also, Soumya. These are the only syntaxes which I have written over here.
So I have one question.
Yes,
So
Nitesh.
so we have given we have given first, second, third,
Nitesh, your voice is breaking.
and that
Your voice is breaking, Nitesh. You can put that in the chat box.
went into sequence.
Nitesh, your
How
voice
that
is breaking. Nitesh, your voice is breaking.
happen?
Can you please put that in the chat box? And others also, please let me know if there is any doubt so that I can solve them before you guys before giving you guys a break. Yeah, it is a tricky concept.
Uh,
Nitesh, can you hear me?
Ma'am, any range we can go, ma'am. Like, for example, you're telling that like 10, 20, 30, anything,
Yes,
right?
yes,
Any-
yes.
Okay. So that means, for example, if I'm going to print A equal to range of 10 and I'm going to print it as a 31, that means 31 in the interval of 10.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Very good. I understood, ma'am.
Ma'am, decimal and minus values can also be range or not?
We can try this out. Minus 6, minus 6, minus 3, 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay?
Okay, and
Clear?
decimal.
And Nitesh, your voice was breaking, dear. Can you please let me know in the chat box so that I can help you out? And now, guys, I guess it is getting a little overwhelming for everyone out there. So let's just take a little break now. Yeah, decimal. Let me just show you decimal also, and then I will give you guys a little break. And my throat also needs a little break now. Okay. Okay, Soumya? Great. Okay, everyone. I have just showed over here, Tulekha. I've just showed over here. Okay, everyone. So now we will take a 5 minute of break. It's 9:20 till 9:25. We will have a break and then we will start again. Okay. For the skip digit, let me just do that as well first. Anywhere you can't use float. Anywhere you can't use float, Zulekha. Okay. Okay, everyone. So now I'm giving you guys a 5 minutes of break. Okay. At 9:26, we will start again. And first, I will ask the doubts and then we will move forward to our part number 3. Okay. So now I will be on mute. After 5 minutes, I will meet you guys again. Okay, everyone, break's over. Is everyone here? Is everyone here, guys? Couple of minutes more. Okay. Okay, we will start at 30. We will start at 30. Take 5 minutes more. Don't worry. Okay, everyone. So now the break is finally over. Now we are going to move forward. So, but first of all, I am having some doubts. So, guys, please do ask the doubts only first, and then only we are going to move forward. Okay? So like Saswat is asking me for a thorough re-understanding, please do differentiate between rand range and range. So Saswat, what is happening over here now? With rand range, you are getting a random number out of that whole range. And with range, you are getting all the numbers in a sequence. If you are getting only a random number from that whole range, then use rand range. If you want that whole range together in a sequence, then use range. Okay, Saswat? Okay, Saswat? Can I have a quick yes or quick no if you didn't understand?
I have a question, one question.
Yes, yes, yes.
If we give range in float values, so what will
I have showed you right here, range and float values.
it will give error?
Yes, it is giving me the error, no?
If we take range in float, like we are taking input in float,
That is float only, no? Float I'm getting as error only. This range function only works on integers.
only on integer, whole numbers.
Yes.
Okay. And earlier on we have given first, second, third number, and it came as sequence. How it take that from the list?
List I told you na. The next part is list only. We are going to learn about it. Just wait for some time. And let me just give you guys a quick recap again of all the functions. So we started with the random function, which is the part of random module. Random is going to get the random number from 0 to 1, always in float. Rand, int, two numbers, both of them are going to get included in that range. Any number it can give you, but only in integer. Then we were having this rand range. Rand range we are going to use whenever I want to get a particular number from a range, randomly from a range. Then rand range, and range function we are going to use when we want the whole sequence, the whole range. Then range function. Now clear, everyone? Got it? Great.
Hello, ma'am.
Oh,
One dot is there, ma'am. Can you go up? So, ma'am, in the rand range, if there is a start, stop, and a step is there, then in the given example, like if you when we are using 15, then why till 15 it should skip, right? Then why the next
why it
bus will
will skip
arrive
the
at
15
10,
number?
15? It is
Um,
printing 15.
Arpan, listen to me. I'm
Yes,
starting
ma'am.
from 0. 0 plus 15 is 15. It is going to take 15. 15 plus 15, 30. 30 plus 15, 45.
Ma'am,
45 plus
ma'am,
15,
can you
60.
please explain once random rand range in a shorter form as a revision? I think I.
Arpan, what is happening over here? This is start.
Hmm.
This is stop. This is step. Okay? This is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
starting point. This is the stopping point where we
Okay.
are going to end just before it. So n minus 1. So at 60, it is going to get ended. And this is the step. So starting is from 0. So my range is going to look like 0 plus 15 plus 15, 30 plus 15, 45 plus 15, 60. This is my range, and from this is the actual range. From this randomly I'm going to get my answer, and randomly I'm getting 15 right now. This is rand range.
Oh, okay. 15, 16, not like that. It is like adding 15, 15 on 15 range. Okay.
Yes.
That is a range. Like till then it will not eliminate. Only that from that it is starting. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Okay.
So means rand range means triple S.
Start stop step. Start stop step. Triple S. Yeah, you guys can say it. Range is also triple S only. Start stop step. Now, guys, we will move forward. Let's start part number 3. List. You guys are having multiple issues with list now, so let's start with list only now. So part 3, we are going to learn about list and indexing with list. So guys, this topic now, it is going to be very, very interesting. So I want each and everyone to be very, very attentive in the class, because this topic is really very interesting. Okay. So please be attentive in the class, everyone. So before that, can I get a yes from each and every one of you in the class, so that I can see all are there? Come on, everyone. Okay, great. Very good. Yes, I am going to go a little slow only, because my throat is not going to allow me to go fast today as well. So I'm going to go slow only. So guys, part number 3, list and indexing with list. So here we are going to learn about creating lists and indexing with lists, slicing a list, modifying list elements, removing elements from a list, adding elements to a list. So these all things we are going to learn. But what is this list? List is a data type in Python, guys. List is data type in Python. Data type in Python, which is a collection of items like numbers, words, or other objects stored in specific order. Think of a list like a grocery list. It holds multiple things in one place. No? Lists allow you to store multiple items together, even items of different types. So what does that mean? Inside a list, you can pass integer, you can pass a float, you can pass a string, you can pass a boolean, all together. All together you can pass inside a list. Lists are ordered, meaning each item has a specific position, which is known as index. You can add, remove, or change the items in a list. Always remember when you are going to create the list, use square brackets. Use square brackets. Every time you are going to create the list, use square brackets. And why do we use this list? We use a list because they help us store, manage, and manipulate the items efficiently. Instead of creating a separate variable for each item, a list allows us to group many items into one data structure. So how to create it? You create a list by putting items inside a square bracket separated by the commas. Everyone clear with the theory?
Ma'am, it is like a f function, right?
Sorry?
It is going to be like what we wrote that before, like f function. Basically,
No,
like we are giving
not
it
like
in a
that.
different link, and it is going to link everything and give it to us, right?
No. It's not like that. It is different. You guys will get to know about that when we are going to do the examples. One by one, you guys will learn. Okay? So, first of all, let's do a simplest example ever. Let's say you are managing a shopping cart. For an online store. You need to store the items for a customer adds to their cart. Instead of creating separate variables for each item, you can just use a list to store all the items together. This makes it easier to manage, add, or remove the products. So I'm going to get a shopping cart is equals to, I'm creating a list, so I will be taking the square brackets. Inside that, just put anything like t-shirt. Come out of this comma again. Jeans. Let's say one more thing, shoes. This is how we create the list. I'm just taking all the strings over here inside the list right now. Let me just show you guys the simplest thing first, then I will show you guys other things as well. Just print the shopping cart. Just run this, you guys will get the answer. Now if I will add something else like 89, 8.9, if I will run it again it is working. If I will put true also, then also it will work. So list can include each and every data type inside it. Just how to create square brackets separated by the commas. Everyone clear with this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now guys, one by one, we are, first of all now, let me just tell you guys about indexing now. Someone is on someone is not mute. Please mute yourself now. Sudha, please mute yourself. Thank you. Okay, so now guys, we are going to learn about indexing. So indexing means accessing elements from a list or other data structure based on their position. Now each element in a list is assigned a position number called an index that helps you retrieve it easily. In Python, indexing can be positive from the front. That is, in this side, it is going to go left to right. That is positive indexing. Or negative indexing can also be there, which goes from right to left. Which goes from right to left. Okay? Now, first of all, let me just show you guys how we do the indexing. Okay. Anyone wants their name to come on the screen? Anyone wants their name to come on the screen? Not a problem, Sudha. Anyone wants their name to come on the screen? Come on. Okay, let's great. That's great, Zulekha. So I'm just taking her name, Zulekha. So how many letters Zulekha is having? How many letters Zulekha is having? How many letters this word is having?
7.
So if I want to do the positive indexing goes always from left to right and starts from 0. So Z will be at position 0, U will be at position 1, L will be at position 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is how indexing happens. Positive indexing. Now let's say Zulekha, this name is present inside the variable A. I want L to get printed. I want L to get printed. What I will do, I will just call my list in which it is present. At what position it is there? 2. Just put 2 and I will get my answer as L. Because it now fetched this from here. Now, this is positive indexing. We are having negative indexing as well, which goes from right to left and starts from -1. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, and -7. This is positive and this is negative indexing. Everyone clear with positive indexing and negative indexing now? Great. Give me a second, sister. Let me just do it on this. That's what your name your name is having 6 letters, right? So positive indexing. Positive means left to right. Left to right and starting from 0. So positive indexing will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Negative indexing, right to left, starts from -1. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6. This is positive indexing and negative indexing. Clear? Clear till this point? And now let's suppose Saswatna, it is present inside A. It is present inside A. Now, if I want to get A 5, what will be the answer? What will be the answer? I want to get A 5. Others also let me know quickly. Yes, answer will be T because I'm taking positive indexing and at that position T is present. And similarly, if now I want to get -4, now what will be the answer? -4?
Yes, yes.
S. Yes, very good, guys. Very good. Now you guys have got the idea that what is positive indexing and negative indexing? Great. Now, let me remove this. Now, similarly in list, let's just say I am having a list as 1, 2, 3. Let's just take some names also over there. My name, float, number. Okay. Let's just say this is my list. And on that now I have to do the indexing. It is also present inside a variable A. Now, this according to positive indexing, 1 is at 0 position. 1, 2. This Mehek, this whole world is at the position number 3 and this at the position number 4. Negative indexing, -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. Just like that, we are going to do it on the just like that, we are going to do it on list as well. Is everyone clear?
Yes,
Is
ma'am. Yes,
everyone
ma'am.
clear? Great.
So that means whatever the name we have to return in a quotes, it is going to consider it as a single variable.
Yes. Every letter has single variable. Single index position. Now let me remove this and now we will do the examples.
I think, Mehak, I think
Yes.
we have to take -0.
-1 only we take.
-1?
-0 is nothing. What is
Okay.
-0?
But it start from 0, right? Positive
Positive
indexing.
starts from 0, negative starts from -1.
Okay, okay.
Yes. Now let's do an example. Now, checking items in the shopping cart. Imagine you're building a feature for an e-commerce website. A customer is reviewing the items in the shopping cart to make sure they didn't forget anything before checking out. Using positive indexing, you can display specific items to the customers based on their position in the cart. Okay, let me just take this shopping cart again, which I have created, and you guys are going to give me the answers. I just want to print. Let's say I just want to print A because inside my shopping cart it is present now. Shopping cart. Let's take number 3. What will be the answer? What will be the answer?
It's going to be shorts. Shoes.
Yes. Answer is going to be shoes. Are you sure? Are you sure answer is going to be shoes? 0, 1, 2,
3.
3. Answer is
Oh.
going to be
89.
89. Now, can anyone tell me the answer? -9. -9. Yes, out of list, I will get an error. List index out of range. I will get an error, index out of range. If I want to get -2, what will be the answer?
9.
Are you sure? 9. Answer
has
will
to
be
be backward indexing,
8.9.
right?
8.9. That is not 8,9. That is 8.9.
Oh,
Sudha.
okay. Sorry. I
Yeah.
couldn't see properly.
No problem. I got it. 8.9. Everyone is clear with the indexing now? Everyone is clear with the positive and negative indexing?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Great. Now, guys, let's go through slicing part now. Slicing, yeah. Now, slicing a shopping cart list. Now, what if this is my whole list? From this, I want a sub list out of it now. I want a sub list out of it. How will I do? Let me just get that list again. Ayyo, sorry. I'm going to just get that list again. Here I'm putting this list again. Now what I'm going to do. Guys, first tell me which things you guys want me to fetch from this whole list. What thing you guys want me to fetch from here? No. Tell me two or strings together. The whole string part? Okay, let's take the whole string part. Now, if I am going to do it with the help of positive indexing, they are having 0, 1, and 2, right? So what I'm going to do, print shopping cart, square brackets, starting from 0, because starting number it is going to get included. Then put a ratio. I want it to come till 2, but the last partner it never gets included. So what we are going to do, we are going to make it 3. And just run this. You guys will get t-shirt, jeans, and shoes as the answer. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what if I want to do the same thing with negative indexing? Can anyone let me know the answer? Same thing with negative indexing now.
Minus 5 to minus 7, minus 8.
Minus 8.
Minus 6.
It is starting from minus 1, 2, minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6.
So minus 6, 2, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3 I will take. Okay? Clear, everyone? I will come to that point also, Soumya. First, let me clear that out in the class. Okay? I will come to that point as well.
Ma'am, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4. So minus 4 will not print. So we are taking minus 3, right?
Yes. So guys, now if I want to, if I'm going to mismatch it, let's say I'm starting from 0, but I'm ending at minus 3. Now what will be the answer? Now what will be the answer? Can anyone tell?
It's going to be t-shirt and 89.
It is going to be t-shirt, jeans, and shoes only, guys. See, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And negative minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. It started from 0. But it is going to get ended just in front of minus 3 now. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Minus 3 is this. So it is going to get ended just in front of this. So t-shirt, jeans, and shoes will be my answer.
Okay. Got it.
Got your answer, Aswat? Everyone, any doubts till this point? Any doubts till this point? Now what if I want to print all the alternatives? I want t-shirt, after that I want shoes.
So it's going to be 0 to 4. 0 to 4, skip 2.
Yes, that is correct. So that is 0, 1, 2, 3. Give me a second. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is going to be till 6 because till 5 it is there. Ratio 2. You guys can see t-shirt, skipping jeans, shoes, skipping 89, 8.9, and skipping the last one too. Clear, everyone? That is start, stop, and step again over here. Clear, everyone? Any doubts till this point?
No, ma'am. No.
Great. This topic is interesting now?
Very much.
I
It is
told
very,
you
very
guys.
good, but we are going to write the program only. We are getting a problem, ma'am. If you are writing the code, that time only the problem.
Don't worry, practice it, you guys will get it. Yes, this is known as slicing. Okay, Saswat? Now, we are going to learn about modifying. Now, I want to change something inside it. I want to change a number. So, for modifying, let's say, this is my shopping cart. I'm taking that again. This is my shopping cart. Now, tell me, guys, which thing you guys want to change to what thing in this? Like t-shirt, you want to change to anything else? What you guys want to change? Jeans to something else? What you guys want to change? Tell me. T-shirt to kurti? Let's do that, Zulekha. T-shirt to kurti, let's do. So, print, or instead of print, what you guys can do is just get shopping cart. What is the index of t-shirt? What is the index of t-shirt? 0.
0.
And according to negative? -6.
-6.
Very good. Very good. So either you guys can take. I am taking positive one. Is equals to kurti. Is equals to kurti. Now print the shopping cart. Instead of t-shirt, you guys will find kurti now. It got modified. It got modified. It got updated. Clear, everyone? Simple now. Updating is very, very simple. Yes, great. Once again. Okay, let's this time now. Tell me, Saswat, what you want to change? What you want to change? 89, 8.9, shoes, what you want to change? Tell me, Saswat. Okay, great. Shoes you want to change, Ramya? Index value, so you have to do now. I have told you the trick how to get the index value. Okay, Vivek? Shoes to shorts. I'm going to take the same thing. Going to print it over here. What I'm going to make it shorts. What is the index of shoes? In negative. What is the index of shoes in negative?
-4.
Just put -4. See, shoes got changed to shorts, and also it didn't got back. It didn't got changed back. Didn't got changed back to t-shirt. It is kurti only. It got modified, so it is modified only now. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear, everyone?
Ma'am, one thing, ma'am. See, in
Yes,
the
yes,
if
yes.
you want to see, if you wrote a code here, right? If you
Yeah.
want to run multiple times, so first thing comes, right? Then the second one, how we have to write it, ma'am?
Sorry.
Ma'am, first thing is coming, right? You are writing this code, right? Shopping underscore cart is going to be that whatever you wrote that, and you run the program. The second thing, the same thing, we have to copy and paste it, or we can run the same program again and again.
Just change it over here. Make it short.
Okay.
Change it. That depends upon you. What you want to do.
So it's going to be another run. It is not going to be coming under the same thing, right?
Yes, yes. It is another run only.
Yeah. That's what I asked. Yeah. Thank you.
Yes. Most welcome. Yeah, see, we are finding out you're finding out, no, Soumya? Or are you just asking that if I will just say the name, if I will just say the name of anything which is present in my list, and I will just get the index number for that? Are you asking like that, Soumya? Oh, yes. Okay. Let me just tell you then. So what you can do is, for that we are having a function. For that I'm having a function. Let's say print shopping cart only I'm taking. So whose index you want to know? Whose index you want to know? Kurti, jeans, t-shirt, 89. Dot index. Dot index. Inside that just put 89. Index 3. By default you are going to get positive only, but by default positive only you are going to get. Clear? Clear?
How to get the negative index?
That is the default part.
That means if you want to put the index as shoes, it will change automatically. It will show the
Yes,
number there,
yes,
right?
yes, yes, yes.
So that means we have to put that and dot and index. Okay,
Yes,
fine.
yes, yes. Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
And by default, you guys are going to get positive only. No function for negative. You have to do it manually.
If I want to print random list,
Random list?
your random element.
So we are just getting it inside from there now. For that, you have to get it with the random module.
Okay,
Nitesh.
so index of dot random.
Inside
I
random, you can post it, but right now, please, I don't want to make it complex in the class. It
Okay.
will
So that
become a
means we
little
have to
complex.
put that as a import random. Then we have to wrote all the shopping cart,
Guys,
everything,
don't think
right?
about it right now. It will get complex right now. Just please focus on the basics. It will get a little complex. I want you guys to practice the basics first. We will get to that part as well. First, practice basics. First, create a base, and then we will do slowly. We are going to do on the, we are going to do that as well. Okay. I hope you all understand.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. That's right. That's right too.
Yes, yes. Okay, Nitesh? Yes, yes. It is already tricky at the moment. I know. That is why I'm not rushing the things today. So everyone is clear? Everyone is clear till this point? Modifying things is clear now? Now let's do removing. If I want to remove something. For that, shopping cart dot pop function. Okay, what thing you guys want to remove? Which thing you guys want to remove from this list? From the list, what you guys want
Is
to
it
remove?
from modified or from a normal?
It is modified only because I'm using the same list.
Okay, from jeans.
No, no, slicing and removing are both different things. Jeans, and what is the index of jeans? 1.
2, ma'am. 2.
1, 1, 1. 0, starting from 0. Don't forget that. Shopping cart. Got removed? Now guys, if I will run it again, now what is the index of, now what is the thing present in index 1 now? What is the thing present in index 1 now in this new list? What is present in the index 1 now? Tell me.
Shoes.
If I will run it, shoes will get removed. Now 89 is on that. If I will run it, 89 will get removed. This is the pop function.
Pop.
Is it clear?
So whichever is going to be there in the first position, it is going to get removed.
Yes. Now everyone, the last
So it
thing.
will probably remove second element, right? 0, 1.
First it removed jeans because that was present at the first index. Then it removed shoes shorts because that became the first index. Then it removed 89 because that became the first index.
Okay.
Okay. From Somehow we will learn about that in our next topics. Okay? Yes, you were saying something.
It will count from 0, right? 0, 1. It will remove 1.
Yes.
Okay.
Now, the last thing which I'm having for all of you, that is slicing. I'm taking the part out. I'm not removing it from the actual list. I'm just taking a sub part out of it. Here I'm totally removing it first. That is the difference between slicing and removing. Okay? And now I want to add something. This is my list now. This is my list only. Now it is not having any other item. I want to add something now. So for that, what I'm going to do, append function is this. Shopping cart dot append. But with the help of append function, by default, at the end only it is going to get added. Let's add socks. Print shopping cart. At the end only it is going to get added. If I will run it again it will get added. Again it will get added. Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts?
Ma'am, we got it in pre-quiz, ma'am. We have to add the apple at the end.
Append function.
Not wrong. Right now only we know that.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, you can say like that, Meenakshi. So guys, we are done with our part number 3 now. If there is any doubts, please let me know. If there is any doubts, please let me know, guys. And guys, I know it is late, but I have a in-class challenge for all of you. Would you guys mind to solve that challenge for 10 minutes? I have an in-class challenge for all of you. Would you guys mind?
Can we do it side by side instead of doing separately so that it will be easier for us to follow, right?
So first of all, I want you guys to try at least. Okay, I will just give you guys 5 minutes. Just try. After that, we will do that. Just try it at least. Just get to know what you have learned in that session. Na? I will write down the code.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Yes, Meenakshi, you're correct. So everyone is ready for the in-class challenge? Everyone is ready for the in-class challenge? I didn't got the sound. I didn't got the replies. Great. So guys, this is the problem statement. So you're managing an online bookstore and needs a system. You are managing an online bookstore and needs a system to maintain an inventory list of books. The system should allow you to perform several operations on the inventory list, including displaying all books, accessing specific books by their position, adding new books, removing sold out books, and updating titles and viewing only a part of the inventory list. Each operation should be demonstrated with the code, making use of lists and indexing in Python. Below are the specific requirements for the each and every function which you guys are going to do. Yes, I'm sending the notebook. First, let me complete it. Okay. Instruction is display all the books in the inventory. These are the books which you guys are going to take in your list. Then display the entire list to show all books currently in the inventory. Then access a specific book, like index 1. You guys can do anything. That depends upon you. You just have to show me how this works. Then you have to add a new book. Define a new variable. Use a method to add and display the updated inventory list. Then remove a sold out book. Just ask, you guys can ask the user which one is the sold out book and you guys can just remove it. That depends upon you how you guys want to do the code. And you guys now have to update the book title. Modify. Suppose there is a typo in the title, The Little Prince at index 2. Make it correct. And at last, do the slicing. Display only the first 3 books using the list slicing. Just try it. Just yes, yes. You guys work is to create an inventory. Just try it. This is the example output. You guys can see. I'm sending you guys the code link as well. Take 5 minutes. Then I will tell you guys. This is very easy. Just it sounds little difficult. I agree. It is very easy. You guys will be able to do it. Everyone got the link of the code? Everyone got the link of the code?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm going to be on mute for 5 minutes now. Try this code out and let me know if you guys are able to do it. Then we will discuss. At least try, Saswat. I'm not saying that I want answers from everyone. I'm saying at least try. I will be very happy that you guys have got something which I have taught in the class. Yes, just try. After that, we are going to discuss. Just try it at least. I will be on mute for 5 minutes now. Okay, guys, time's over. Time's over. So tell me, how was the experience of writing this code? How was the experience of writing this code, guys? Guys? Very good, Zulekha. Don't worry, at least you guys are trying now. That is enough for me. So let's do the code. Let me give you guys a solution then. Let me give you guys a solution. Come on, I'm not getting the responses, guys.
Ma'am, even the first one, if we put it in a square bracket, it itself is giving invalid syntax.
You have done a little mistake then. You must have given extra space or something. I will show you. This is the thing which is the answer. So first of all, I'm just taking the inventory. Harry Potter, Twilight. You either you have forgot to take the commas or you have put an extra space somewhere. So that can be the issue. Okay. Now these are all the inventory list. After that, display that. Just print it. Then I want to get the second book. With the help of index only, I will do 0 and 1. Twilight. It will get rated Twilight. Then add a new book. How to add a new book? With the help of append. With the help of append. See, new book is equal to this. Inventory.append, new book, print book added, new book, and new inventory. New inventory will get displayed. Clear till this point? Clear till this point? First of all, take the inventory in the form of list, display the inventory. Second book, do indexing. Second book, do indexing. If you want to add a new book to the inventory, use append function. Now clear, Saswat? Yeah, I'm slowly. First taking the inventory, printing the inventory, then I want second book, then just get the index, and then if you want to add a new book, use a print function. Clear till this point now, guys? That's great, Saswat. Clear till this point, everyone? Till adding a new book is clear? Great. After that, now you want to remove. For remove, what function we are going to use? Pop function. Just take the name of the book which you want to remove. Use pop. Adjust. Book remove and the updated inventory. Just put that out. I will check, Rishu. Just give me a moment. Okay. And now if you want to update, anywhere you want to update, just get that index, take the new name and update it and print it. And at last, I want to get the first 3 books, so I'm using slicing. So I'm using slicing. Okay, Arpin. Go through this code, guys, and let me know if you guys are facing any kind of issues. Till then, I will just check Rishu's notebook in the another tab.
So in slicing, you have taken
You have taken what?
3 column.
By default, it is going to start from 0 now then. If I'm not
Okay.
taking anything before column, that means by default, it is going to get started from 0.
Okay.
Very good, Rishu. Your attempt is very good. Very good. Okay. Your attempt is great. Most welcome. Is everyone clear with the code? If there is any doubts, please do let me know, guys. Any doubts, please let me know. Correction of a book's name. Did I any mistake in the book's name? Can you please let me know, Saswat? I will make it correct then. Nitesh, can you please mute yourself? No problem, Soumya. Not a problem at all. Very good. Who sent me that notebook? Very good, Ankita. Very good. Very good attempt. Don't worry, Sudha. You have got to know now how to write down the code. You have got to know now how to write down the code. You are clear with the code now, na? That you can do with the help of update, na? Modify that. Modify that. That's not an issue, no? Just modify that. And so then, just let me know one thing. Are you clear with the code now? Are you clear with the code?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I can
Everyone is.
understand, but I couldn't write it. That's the main
Don't
problem.
worry. Don't worry. Just try it on pen and paper. Try it with pen and paper first. You can use it with the help of this update. I have showed you how to modify. You can change it with the help of modifying. Okay, Saswat? So guys, any doubts? Vivek, where is the code? Send me the code again. Okay, now is my voice clear? Is my voice clear now? Inventory list is empty. Where it will get appended? Empty list. Where it will get appended? There also you have to see, na? Saswat, if you want to update something, if you want to modify something, use modify. Just like that. If you want to add something, then use append function. Then use append function. Okay? Just 2 minutes, guys. I'm sending the feedback form. Then I will take the doubts again. I'm sending the feedback form first. Guys, I have sent the feedback form to everyone. Please let me know. Did you guys got it? Okay, sure, Saswat. And if there is any other doubts, do let me know. I'm still there for all of you. And please do fill out your feedback form as well. Again, very, very important. Feedback form is mandatory for all of you. Please fill that out and let me know as done in the chat box when you guys will be done. Okay? Is there any doubts? If there is no doubt, please let me know. I will just stop sharing my screen then.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes? Yes, Vivek?
Ma'am, in my code, after मैम लिस्ट को पहले तो मैंने वहाँ पे रिप्रेजेंट किया है, देन उसके बाद उसके अंदर अपेंड किया है, तो मैम वो एम्प्टी तो रही नहीं ना,
Because अभी लिस्ट एम्प्टी है ना.
तो मैम उसके बाद मैंने उसमें डेटा डाला है.
हाँ, डेटा डाला है तो वो भी अभी नाम. Sorry, I can't speak in English first of all. Sorry, I can't speak in Hindi first of all. That is the rule.
Okay.
I'm so sorry about that. Okay, so give me a second. Where is the code again? Where is the code again? I'm telling you guys the simplest trick how to make it work. Yeah, getting the code from the charts again and again is a very hectic task.
Am I sending?
Oh yeah, send me again. Saswat, this one, modifying items in the cart. Here it is. Sure, Ramya. What you can do is you're getting the doubt now, so that is why we are using all of this AI in ChatGPT. No, na Claude AI is the AI tool of the week. No, Claude AI only I will show them. Just ask what is the issue, and you will get the whole issue with the whole explanation as well. So like this, you guys can take the help from your AIs as well during coding. Okay? See, you will get the whole code now. I have sent the link, no?
Yes,
I've
ma'am.
sent the link, no? Give me a second. I'm sending the link again. And are you clear with the doubt or now, Vivek? How can
Yes,
you
ma'am.
rectify it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, I have sent the code link again, and now I'm stop sharing my screen. And you guys, please let me know who are done with the feedback form. Please fill out the feedback form, everyone. Thank you, Zulekha, Sneha, Karthik, Aditya. Others also please fill out the feedback form. Thank you, Samya. Good night. See you tomorrow, Zulekha. Thank you, Siddhi. Thank you, Krishna. Others also please fill that out. Thank you, Sudha. Those who are done can leave the session. Those who are done can leave the session. Thank you so much, Rishu. Good night. Most welcome, Sudha. Thank you, Sai. Thank you, Vivek. Arpan, Minakshi, John, Navya, guys, you also please fill out the feedback form, na? Thank you, Navya. I'm adding the homework. I'm adding the homework. I'm so sorry about that. I literally forgot about it. I'm adding the homework. I will just give you guys a message in your WhatsApp group as well. I'm adding the homework in that, and I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, I've added the homework. I've added the homework which you guys have to do. I will just give you guys a note as well in your WhatsApp group. Thank you, guys. Okay, everyone. So now everyone is done. So now I'm going to just end the session and we will meet tomorrow. Bye, guys. Bye, everyone. We'll meet you guys tomorrow now.